Hey, hi, hello. Welcome to Diana Emerson today. This was my Christmas gift for my son and his girlfriend. I got a new television. My other one, they said because I had magnets underneath it, that's probably what made it not work. But oh boy, I'm getting ready. I'm gonna have to sit, go down the stairs, and what I want to show you is um, another form of exercise that I use, and when I'm conscious of it, then I use it. That's like going up and down the stairs. What I do is I tuck my tummy, okay? Tuck my tailbone in, tuck my tummy in, and I use my legs, and as if I'm using a stepper, okay? So on our way back, when we go up, I'll show you. Now, I'm getting a little coffee and catching my breath. I have emphysema, so sometimes it's very hard for me to breathe. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I had to put you down for a second. Oh, I could have propped you up, right? No, then I have to turn this thing to come my way. Okay? Not gonna make it any harder on myself. Okay. So I'm in the kitchen. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. And you know what? It's New Year's Eve. I'm gonna spend it with my son. And I know this is gonna be the best year ever. Gotta get it all together. Okay. Now, okay, I wonder if I turn it this way here. Okay, I don't know what you're seeing, okay, but I'm gonna get some honey for my coffee. That's because I'm out of sugar. Okay. Stir. Okay. I don't know what it captured. When I review it, I'll find out. But anyway, I have my coffee. So do I have my top? It's upstairs. Okay. When I go upstairs, which I'm going to do right now, my steps are dirty. Step and straighten the leg out. Feel all parts of your joints. Tuck the tummy in, okay? And step, step, step. May have already been injured because this was a fairly soft person, and so without subduing him somehow.